Hello there, Taylor with the Mal Tiempo Report. En este informe, digo cosas en español primero y después in English language. Sí, trying to, what is it, channel William Shatner o algo así. Sí. Primero, en el noroeste pacífico hay Tifón Utor. Tifón Utor va a tocar tierra muy pronto. Es muy cerca de la tierra en este momento. Sí, creo que esta zona por aquí es el ojo del tifón. Sí. En Hong Kong tiene un señal de número 8, un aviso de número 8. En China tiene un aviso rojo de tifón. Sí, por esta tormenta y este tifón. Sí. Por aquí. Por aquí, en el Océano Índico, tiene una zona de probabilidad según el BOM, pero esta zona es muy baja en el momento. En el Atlántico tiene una nueva zona de probabilidad. En el momento es 10%. Y esta zona aquí tiene una probabilidad de 20% ahora. Y esta zona aquí, qué divertido, qué raro. Ayer fue un 70 o 80% y ahora 30%. ¿Qué pasa aquí con esta zona de mal tiempo? No sé nada de nada. Sí, esta zona aquí, solo 30% en el momento. Sí. Y es todo para hoy. Sí. So yes, go backwards, not backwards, we'll go back to Typhoon Utor. So Utor is about to make landfall and officially, well, yes. And then we turn on the satellite there you go. That is a big storm. See, I think this area here is actually whereabouts. That's where the eye is, thereabouts or so. Hong Kong has the signal number 8 warning in effect, so they've got details on that if you're in there, and they've got some precautionary announcements and such with that. China is up to the red warning of typhoon because I believe the scale goes blue, yellow, orange, red. So they are at, the highest that their warning system allows with that. And yeah. Probability-wise, for other areas, we've got this area per the BOM, the Bureau of Meteorology, which was very low yesterday, very low again. JTWC hasn't put anything out to say any opinions on that. And then we've got this new area off of here, which is, just at 10% at the moment. I think it might have like a 30 in the next 5 days. Or this one, I think, actually has a 30 in the next 5 days. This one is a 20% at the moment. And then this thing that was high, then it was low again. Then yesterday it was high again. Now it's back down to 30. So apparently the National Hurricane Center cannot make up their mind on whether this thing is going to actually do anything. Yeah. But on the plus side, it's so far away from land, even if it did do... I mean, it sort of doesn't matter unless it goes to Hawaii. Right, on vacation. So this thing probably not going to turn into anything. But if it did, it'd be Ivo. The next one in the Atlantic, I believe, is Erin. Yeah, so Ivo for this potential area. And then one of these. Well, possibly this thing. Since it's so far out, it has enough time that this thing is more likely to become Erin, I would think, than this. But who knows? Who knows what's going on with the weather? Right. Whoops. Speaking of weather, there we go. We'll reload that tab. So now I don't have a segue other than, whoops, I closed the tab and I broke it. So in severe thunderstorm weather today, got a watch in effect as of the time I loaded the page. Severe thunderstorm watch for South Dakota and Wyoming till 9 p.m. Mountain Time. Just one severe thunderstorm warning and then a couple of flash flood warnings back there. I'm going to jump straight to the tornado thing today to say... I think this is going to get downgraded to nothing as of the next outlook, which will probably come out around the next hour or so. But 2% chance otherwise. But if you look at what's actually on the radar, it looks like all that stuff has moved offshore or whatnot. So I think this 2% area is probably going to be gone as of the next outlook. So otherwise, today... Wind-wise, got as high as a 15% chance over here, 15% chance over there. Not sure if that one will get downgraded as well, but look at all of the 5%, Hail-wise, oh, by the way, the wind map is showing the probability of winds 58 miles per hour greater. This is the hail map showing the probability of hail 1 inch or larger. And then again, the tornado map, I think this is going to end up being a less than 2% all areas in about an hour or so. Tomorrow, got just a 5% chance, but if you look at it, there's a whole bunch of the country just all over with the 5%. And maybe it'll get upgraded, maybe it won't, who knows. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of this screencast. WikiWix is WICKEDWX.com. And Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. We'll turn back on the satellite layer. There it is. Typhoon Utor. That is it for today. And hopefully you're staying safe out there.